Hey there, ready to gear up for your next adventure?
Hey there, I'm looking for a gift for my dad. He likes to go on leisurely day hikes.
That's a fantastic idea for a gift. For leisurely day hikes, many adventurers love our Canyon Roamer boots, designed for comfort and support on the trails. We also have our Summit Series backpack, perfect for carrying essentials on a day out. Is he looking for new footwear to hit the trails, or perhaps some gear to carry his essentials?
How much is the backpack?
The Summit Series backpack is $80. It's a great piece of gear for day hikes or even minimalist overnights, with features like a built-in rain cover and an airflow back panel.
Perfect, thanks for your help. That wasn't a human, and it wasn't a pre-record message. That was an AI voice agent listening to my website's visitors and answering them in real time. Say hello to Atlas. I built him for my fake hiking store, Nomad Earth, in less than 10 minutes. He knows every product in the inventory, he handles interruptions like a pro, and he never sleeps. Usually if a customer has a specific question like, is this boot good for wide feet? They have to dig through a boring FAQ page. Most just leave. But with ElevenLabs' new conversational AI, we're fixing that. In this video, we're going to build an AI agent, give it a voice, and embed it right here on the website. It works by capturing the visitor's question and then converts it to text before sending it to a brain that searches our store's specific knowledge base to find the answer. It then speaks the answer back instantly to the user. This all sounds complicated, but it's actually very simple. So just follow these simple steps and you'll be able to deploy your own live AI agent with access to your own data within minutes. Let's get into it. First things first, head over to ElevenLabs and then click on the Agents tab here. You want to click on the New Agent button on the top right hand side and you'll see there are 3 different types of agents to create. There's a blank agent, a personal assistant, and a business agent. For this video, click on the business agent and then you'll see the different types of industries that our AI agent will work in. So since we're going to build it for an e-commerce store, let's use the retail and e-commerce selection. Next, we'll want to decide our AI agent's use case. So you can see customer support, outbound sales, scheduling, and so forth. But for our use case, we're going to choose product recommendations. Now we need to fill out the details of our AI agent. I've called my AI agent Atlas, and I've created a very simple goal. So you're an Atlas, the expert adventure guide for the hiking brand Nomad Earth, and then I've set its personality as enthusiastic, rugged, and reliable. I've set Atlas's goals to help customers to find the right gear based on their specific needs, weather, terrain, activity, answer questions about shippings, returns, and materials using the knowledge base, which we will upload directly to our AI agent. If the customer is ready to buy, encourage them to add it to their cart. I've given some rules, so only recommend products listed in the knowledge base. If you don't know the answer, say I'm not sure about that, but you can email our team at support@nomadearth.com. I've given sizing advice and I've told Atlas to always provide short answers. There's different types of scenarios, so if the user asks for a recommendation, ask one clarifying question first. So will you be doing heavy hiking or mostly walking, or immediately recommend the best fit if the context is clear. So you can see how I've set the AI agent's goals to be very specific to this use case, but you can actually tailor this for the use case that you're trying to solve. So let's go ahead and create Atlas. So the first thing that you'll notice is ElevenLabs has gone ahead and created a very detailed system prompt based upon all the information that we had filled out. So the personality, you are Atlas, the expert adventure guide for the hiking brand Nomad Earth. It's given the personality, the environment, so they are assisting customers via a voice-enabled shopping interface, their tone, their primary goals, which we set out, as well as the guardrails. So only recommend products listed in the knowledge base. If you don't know the answer, say I'm not sure about that one, but you can email our team at support@nomadearth.com. So this is a huge time saver whenever we're creating AI voice agents. As long as we enter enough detail on the main goal, the industry, as well as the use case, a lot of the information gets automatically added to our system prompt. The first thing that I want to do is to set the time zone. So I'll go ahead and set it as Sydney. This just ensures that any time-related questions that a website visitor might ask is based upon Sydney's time zone. So for example, if we ask opening hours or if they're going to be open on public holidays, that sort of stuff all gets detailed based upon the time zone. Next, we're going to enter our first message. So you can see that it's pretty short, sharp, and sweet. Hey there, are you ready to gear up for your next adventure? I think that's perfect, and we're going to leave that as default. Now, the only other change that I'm going to make is to the default voice, Eric. Now, the great thing about ElevenLabs is it has a large library of different voices to select. So if you're not happy with your current AI agent's voice, you'll easily be able to find another one. So I'm going to go ahead and change the default voice from Eric, who's smooth and trustworthy, to John, who's relaxed, deep, and approachable. And if you want to hear a preview of all the different voices, you can click on the play button.
Hey, let me walk you through it. It's not complicated, and I'll keep it clear and easy as we go.
I think John's voice is perfect for our hiking e-commerce store. So I'll go ahead and choose John. Just keep the stability, speed, similarity all as default. And we can leave the rest of the settings as default. Now the next thing we want to set up is the knowledge base. Each AI agent in ElevenLabs has its own knowledge base, and it's as simple as adding a document directly to the AI agent. So I'll go ahead and click on Add Document, and then Add Files, and I'll quickly go and drag and drop a pre-prepared knowledge base. So within this knowledge base, it's pretty simple. It just sets out the basic information about Nomad Earth, the footwear catalog, different key features, sizing, colors, and pricings, and so forth. And we just do it for the gear and equipment, apparel, shipping, delivery, returns and warranty. Any sort of information that your users might want to ask, we can directly upload it into our AI agent so that the AI agent has access to it in order to answer the website visitor's query. Cool, so once we've uploaded the document, it's going to appear as a file under our agent's knowledge base. Now let's make the widget. So click on the Widgets tab. And here's the settings for our AI widget that appears on our website. So the first thing I want to do is to actually change the avatar. So you can upload your own image by clicking on the image tab and then uploading a file. So I've just gone ahead and created an avatar that will work well for the hiking brand. Next, scroll down to the text contents and we'll change the main label from need help to talk to Atlas. And then we'll change the start call and start chat labels. And if you notice in the bottom right hand side, as we make these updates, the actual widget gets updated in real time. Finally, I'll just do some quick styling so that it fits my website's style and brand. Perfect, and we're done. Now, once you're happy with all of that, make sure you click on Publish. Otherwise, your changes won't be saved. Now, let's just give it a quick check by clicking on Need Gear Advice. You can see here that I've enabled terms and conditions which the user has to agree to in order to use the AI agent. But there is the option to turn it off if you scroll to the Terms and Conditions section. So I'll just go ahead and accept that. And you can see here that I've got my AI agent's avatar with the ability to make a phone call. Or if the user didn't want to, they could type a message saying, "Hi, I'm looking for a gift for my dad." And they can do a text-based chatbot instead. But we'll just end that call and then we'll make a new phone call.
Hey there, ready to gear up for your next adventure?
And perfect, it's all working as intended. And for the final part, deploying it to our website. And all you need to do is copy the embedded code from ElevenLabs and paste it directly into your website's page. Click on Update and we're ready to go.
Hey there, ready to gear up for your next adventure?
Hey there, just want to see what products you have on offer?
Awesome! We got a fantastic range of gear to get you out on the trails. We offer top-notch footwear, essential gear and equipment, and rugged apparel designed for any adventure. What kind of adventure are you gearing up for today?
And perfect, it's working on our website instantly. So take a look at what we've just accomplished. In only a few minutes, we completely transformed a static, boring website into an interactive experience. We didn't just build a chatbot, we built Atlas, a brand-aware sales agent that knows our entire inventory, handles interruption like a human, and runs 24/7. And the best part is we didn't have to write a single line of complex code or hire a developer. This level of technology used to require an entire engineering team and weeks of work. But now you can deploy it yourself before your coffee gets cold. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on the next build. And if you want the exact system prompts and the knowledge base file I used for Atlas, so you can copy paste them, join my automation vault. The link's in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.